Congratulations for building a new PC, only to find out that your PC is still a bullshit to run Half-Life 2 RTX.
Hello there.
Anyways, I'm here to give you some tips about what you should do after building a new PC. And don't worry, these tips can also be applied to an older PC. So before we continue, hit the intro editor. If you already have installed the OS for your computer, then skip to chapter 2. And if you didn't, go watch some tutorials about creating a live USB and boot or install your preferred operating system. And I also have a video about burning multiple OS in a single USB flash drive. So if you need it, you can check it out. Now, the second most important thing is installing the drivers. Now, it depends on what you're using. I mean, what motherboard, what graphics card, what other things you're using which needs a driver. So if you want to check and install all the drivers that is needed to operate your PC at once, try reliable and safe all-in-one driver installer. Here are some names in the screen. But I'll still recommend you to install the drivers manually from the motherboard's website or the official graphics card manufacturer's website. But special notice, if you're an AMD user, use a software named DDU that will completely wipe the previous driver. You can also do it for NVIDIA. I'll link a tutorial about using it in the description. And after wiping the driver, use the AMD software updater from AMD themselves to install the latest drivers. Oh, I know, Windows can automatically install the drivers for you, but I'd still recommend to install at least the graphics drivers manually. And if you also want to take some pain, install those Windows updates too. These two are important for your PC's performance. But why is it important to enable these? Well, go to the Task Manager and go to the Performance tab, and you'll notice that your RAM sticks are not operating at the speeds it was advertised. For example, I'm using two Kingston 30B's DDR5 RAM sticks which are clocked at 6000 MHz. I mean, it should be clocked at 6000 MHz, but in Task Manager it's showing 4800 MHz. So to fix that, go to your BIOS by spamming the delete key and go to Advanced, go to the OC settings, then go to Expert Profiles and set to the preferred profile. In this case, I'm setting it to the 5600 MHz profile for the sake of this video. Once done, press F10 and you're good to go. After booting, you'll see 5600 MHz in the Task Manager. Problem solved. This is your personal preference, but I thought it'll be nice to remind you to install something useful instead of watching the kids' entertainment show. Just joking. Benchmark your PC with popular benchmarking tools like I'm showing you on the screen. It's better to check your hardware attempts and scores to see everything is okay as it should be. Maintaining the components is as important as maintaining the junks in your PC. Clean up with commands like %10% or the built-in cleaning system in Windows. And you better purchase some cleaning equipment for your PC to clean. And also try to use aftermarket dust filters to make your cleaning life easier. So that's it, folks. If you know some more tips, comment it below. And consider liking, sharing, and subscribing if you want to see this fellow to be a tech tuber who doesn't use AI to generate the scripts and the voice. So, peace.